Where you going, chicken? Where you going? Oh, where you going, chicken? And other chicken? Hey friends, welcome back to another Wellness Wednesday. So last week I told you guys how I was feeling so unmotivated, feeling burnt out, felt like things were off, and frustrated about feeling like I needed to do something else to clean up my diet. And just overall in a state of frustration, and then at the same time lack of motivation to do anything. So I was feeling frustrated that I needed to do something, then I was feeling frustrated that I had to do something because I didn't really want to do anything. And then, like, within 48 hours from making that video, I came down with a cold. And it ended up being like one of the worst colds I've had in a while. It was even worse than when we had COVID a few months ago, but it just really knocked me out. And then, so of course, I'm like, well, duh, that's what was going on. My body was fighting it. I was feeling tired. I was feeling unmotivated because my body was trying to fight off this virus. So that really helped put things in perspective. So I'm really glad that I've gotten to the point of not making super drastic decisions and changes with my diet and lifestyle. At this point, it used to be something where I would feel like I'd have to change something right away and try to jump into something really quickly. But since I have kind of moved away from that, I make changes really, really slowly. So in this case, it worked out great because my problem was not food, apparently. So I'm kind of on the tail end of the sickness. I've been sick for the past week almost, and I think I'm getting over it now, but you can probably still hear I have some congestion and sneezing and all that fun stuff. But as far as like my energy and things, that seems to be back to normal, which is wonderful because I was pretty run down, like feeling like I needed to take naps every day and stuff, which is not typical for me at all. So it feels good to have my energy back, and I have gotten my motivation back too. And it's funny, oftentimes when I get sick, like when I get at the tail end of the sickness, I start feeling really motivated to do all kinds of stuff and like to start an exercise program and like just get out and do things. But then I'm always like, but I'm not all the way better yet. I need to wait until I'm not sick anymore. And so that's kind of where I'm at right now. It's like I don't want to overextend myself, but all of a sudden I have all of this motivation to do stuff. So trying to balance that, of course. As far as what I've been talking about the last few weeks before I got sick and unmotivated, starting in on a leaner season, I had said that I was going to start adding in lean days to my lifestyle. And I added in a couple before I got sick. But then once I came down with the cold, I just scrapped that and didn't try to attempt any lean days for the last week. So I haven't been doing that. I may add one or two here in this upcoming week if I'm feeling better. One thing I have done though, kind of in the spirit of a leaner season, and it's not a leaner thing necessarily, it's just a simpler thing. So a simplified season. Maybe I should call it that instead of a lean season. I should call it a simplified season. I've just been moving a little bit closer to carnivore. I'm usually fairly close to carnivore, very meat-based in my diet, but when I kind of want to simplify things, I go a little bit more carnivore, closer to BBBE, but with chicken and pork. So basically carnivore-ish. I still, of course, am ketovore because I do have certain things like olives or pickles or little veggie here and there. But when I'm trying to simplify things, I just kind of go a little more carnivore, which is what I have done this last week while I was sick and while I was not doing lean days. So that, I mean, it's always good for me to kind of go towards carnivore a little bit more whenever I want to clean things up and get my health back to baseline, I guess, because I do feel the best when I stay the most meat-based and keep the extras to a bare minimum. So basically that is just what I have been doing this last week. And yeah, that's really all I have to update you guys on. I'm just going to work on getting all the way better and maybe add in my lean days again this next upcoming week. And here at the end of the video, I thought I would show you my Redmond haul. I hadn't ordered from Redmond in a little while, and so I decided to do a big haul, and I just got a notification that it was delivered, so I need to walk out to the mailbox, grab that, and I will show you what I ordered. The lilacs are just about done over here, but I got my little succulent garden pretty well weeded. Oh, not quite though. We gotta get this out of here. Anyways, that's my cute little succulent garden. I got my little Gerber daisies that were given to me. These other, I think African daisies maybe, that were given to me. I got a bunch of flowers at the end of the year, our homeschool end of the year. Ooh. Oh, someone dug the... this needs to go back over here. I think a cat must have dug that out. We just planted this one, transferred it in here. Must have been a cat or a chicken dug it out. At the end of the year party for our homeschool group, I got a bunch of presents from my sweet kids that were in my class, including those flowers over there. I don't know what kind those are, but those 3 were potted plants from some of my kids that I got planted. Look at my sage going crazy here. I had a big sage plant before, but it never went crazy like that. It must be a different variety, but sure is pretty with the purple at the top. Interesting. There it is. What are you guys doing over there? Oh, blowing bubbles, huh? All right, let's see what we got here. Got giggling children in the background. Okay, first thing is seasoned salt. Needed to do another big stock up on that. Absolutely love it. Oh my goodness, those children. Another bag of kosher salt for refills. Another bag of fine salt for refills as well. And earth paste. This has become my favorite one. The charcoal and spearmint flavor. Love it. All right, and then of course I have to get my electrolytes. I got 3. What did I order? I ordered lemon lime and strawberry lemonade. And I think I ordered another strawberry. No, I ordered a mixed berry. And a mixed berry. Those are my 3 favorites. If you can only order one flavor, I recommend the strawberry lemonade. If you can order 2 flavors, I recommend the lemon lime and the mixed berry because you can mix them to make something that's similar to the strawberry lemonade, but then you can also have them separate if you want. But they're very good. And yeah, these 3 are my top 3. So that's everything I ordered from Redmond this time. Also, I wanted to let you know that Perfect Keto is having their Memorial Day sale right now, which apparently is the second biggest sale of the year next to Black Friday. So you can get some really good deals. If you order 5 or more items, you can get 40% off of your whole order, which is a pretty amazing deal. So I am going to be placing an order with them as well. And so I will be sharing with you what I order. I wanted to do some kind of a video where I showed you what I ordered and the different things that we've tried and the different things we recommend. Hopefully I'll get that done before the Memorial Day sale ends. So it started on the 23rd and then ends on the 30th or after the 30th. So if you haven't ordered from Perfect Keto yet on their big sale, definitely order there. It's one of those deals where the more you order, the bigger discount you get. But the highest discount you can get is 40% if you order 5 items or more. And I will have my link for them down in the description. So definitely check that out. You can get the Perfect Keto electrolytes, which are also very good and a little bit less salty than the Relight. So if that's something that you prefer, everyone has a different preference. Definitely go for the Perfect Keto ones. My favorite is still to mix the Relight and the Perfect Keto. I think that gives me the perfect taste, and I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to be ordering those Perfect Keto electrolytes, and then I have my stocked up Relight, and so I am all set. All right, that's it for this Wellness Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing great, and I will see you again in another video very soon. Did you get eggs, Charity?
Yeah, I got 3.
Show me. Nice. Look at the color of your shirt. Look at that. Just about.
You trying to blow bubbles on me? I can go put these eggs away. Let me go put them away. I can help you again.
Hey! What are you doing? You trying to blow bubbles at me?